If I might state one thing which kind of sucks about the Dolphin emulator on PC here, turn the keyboard backlight there, pretty dim though. So just set up your own dad's system. It's a Dell i7 based system. I think it's an 8th gen processor. Got 12 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte mechanical hard drive with a 4 terabyte Western Digital Easy Store drive attached. And my main problem here with the Dolphin emulator is here I got good old Mario Kart Double Dash running. And let's go into a race here. Let me try to close one-handed. Here's my problem. I cannot find my game controller with the life of me. So let's Mario Yoshi for this track. Ah, crap, I set it for Grand Prix. What's the reset button on this? Shut up, Windows. No. Fine then, Windows. Be that way. Gotta relaunch Dolphin. Dolphin. Mario Kart Double Dash. No. Shut up. Oh, that's right, it's Alt-Enter. Alt-Enter. Shut up, Windows. You can see here, yeah, she's in a crappy old TV, and I have to have the brightness on it kind of low, and the colors will wash out for me to be able to see everything without it hurting my eyes. Given this thing only has the Intel integrated graphics on the i7, it's running pretty good. Here's my main problem. The way they implemented the analog stick. If you're using a keyboard, kind of like I have to. So let's go here into the very first track of the game. Ah, God. Let's just see. They've got the stick here set up on the arrow keys to basically its entire throw distance. So it actually kind of sucks whenever you're trying to run a 3D game. I kind of prefer the way something like turn on NVIDIA here so I can get past the stupid support Project 64 notice. And yes, I'm using SAPI 5 Microsoft mic. Sue me. See.
Project 64.3.2.202 list. Support Project 64 dialog. Enter notification code if you enjoy and have not value out of Project 64. Then supporting the project is a great way to give back and help us continue improving Project 64.
Of course, I suck at this game too because I can't really see it the best. It's gonna be real hard to control because I gotta have one hand up at the phone. Get with my proper camera. Oh, start. Dear Mario, I'm a stupid moron. Please come and help me. Oh, sure. She baked a cake for you. Sure, Peach. And this game wouldn't be the best demonstration. Let's try a couple hits of this. Yes, I'm a bit of a Mario Kart fan. The first game I ever run was the installment. Yes, it still remains my favorite. But I much prefer the way, though, that the Project 64 devs implemented analog stick with the keyboard on this, which I have to do this, I think so. I kind of like the way Mario narrates almost everything on this menu, except for this. Wait, what the? Hang on, let's see. I'm using the default mapping. Wrap it back down.
Select your player. Okay.
They stole that sound effect from Yoshi's Island. Let's go here to my favorite track in the entire game. Let's try to get super quick before my story turns out. I really prefer the way they implement the analog stick here. Bye.